Lotus Temple. The Lotus Temple, also known as the Baha'i House of Worship, is a temple located in New Delhi, India. It was completed in 1986 and is one of the most famous landmarks of the city. The temple's architecture is inspired by the lotus flower, with 27 freestanding marble-clad petals arranged in groups of 3 to form 9 sides, creating 9 entrances to the temple. The white marble used in the construction was sourced from Greece. The Lotus Temple is a Baha'i house of worship, which means it is open to people of all religions and faiths. It is a place for people to come together and pray, meditate, or simply enjoy the peaceful surroundings. The temple is surrounded by beautifully landscaped gardens and pools, which add to its serene atmosphere. It has won numerous architectural awards and has been visited by millions of people from around the world. History. The Lotus Temple, also known as the Baha'i House of Worship, was designed by Iranian-Canadian architect Fariborz Sabah. Its construction began in 1980 and was completed in 1986. The temple was built by the Baha'i community of India, with the support of the Indian government. The Baha'i faith is a monotheistic religion that originated in Iran in the 19th century. Its central principles include the oneness of humanity, the unity of all religions, and the importance of universal peace and justice. The Baha'i community of India, which is one of the largest in the world, had been looking for a suitable location to build a house of worship since the 1950s. The design of the Lotus Temple was chosen through an international competition that received more than 800 submissions from around the world. Sabah's design was selected for its innovative and striking architecture, which combines traditional and modern elements. The temple's lotus shape symbolizes purity, peace, and love, which are central values of the Baha'i faith. Since its completion, the Lotus Temple has become a popular tourist attraction and a symbol of religious harmony in India. It has won numerous awards for its architecture and has been visited by millions of people from all over the world. The temple's design has also inspired the construction of other Baha'i houses of worship in different parts of the world. Architecture. The architecture of the Lotus Temple is inspired by the lotus flower, which is a symbol of purity and peace in many cultures. The temple's design features 27 freestanding marble-clad petals arranged in groups of 3 to form 9 sides, creating 9 entrances to the temple. The white marble used in the construction was sourced from Greece. The temple is built on a 26-acre site and its construction involved the use of state-of-the-art technology and engineering. The entire structure is made of concrete, which is covered with white marble on the inside and outside. The temple's 9 entrances lead to a central hall, which can accommodate up to 2,500 people. The central hall is circular in shape and has a diameter of 70 feet. It is surrounded by 9 pools of water, which reflect the sunlight and create a beautiful effect. The hall has no idols, images, or religious symbols, in keeping with the Baha'i principle of unity and inclusivity. The Lotus Temple is designed to be environmentally friendly and energy efficient. Its unique shape allows for natural ventilation and lighting, reducing the need for artificial lighting and air conditioning. The temple also has a rainwater harvesting system, which collects rainwater for use in the gardens and surrounding areas. Overall, the Lotus Temple's architecture is a stunning example of the fusion of modern engineering and ancient symbolism. Its unique design and serene atmosphere make it one of the most popular tourist attractions in India. Facts. The Lotus Temple is one of the most visited buildings in the world, attracting over 70 million visitors since its opening in 1986. The temple is open to people of all religions and faiths, and there are no idols or religious symbols inside the building. The Lotus Temple was designed by Iranian-Canadian architect Fariborz Sabah, who won an international competition to design the temple. The temple's design is based on the lotus flower, with 27 freestanding marble-clad petals arranged in groups of 3 to form 9 sides. The temple is built on a 26-acre site and its construction involved the use of state-of-the-art technology and engineering. The central hall of the temple can accommodate up to 2,500 people, and it is surrounded by 9 pools of water. The Lotus Temple is designed to be environmentally friendly and energy efficient, with a rainwater harvesting system and natural ventilation and lighting. The temple has won numerous awards for its architecture, including the Aga Khan Award for Architecture in 1987. The Lotus Temple has inspired the construction of other Baha'i houses of worship in different parts of the world, including in Australia, Samoa,